Hi, I'm Christina Raj and I'm from Hyderabad. I have a very rare medical condition called ichthyosis. Now, this is an autosomal recessive disorder, one in a million. And the kind of ichthyosis I have is even more of a very rare form, which is lamellar and harlequins and epidermolysis bullosa, wherein there are a lot of wounds which is very painful, that leaves me in a very painful condition. This ichthyosis has no cure, so we learn to live, we learn to manage our lives, but at times people don't make it simple for us, they make it very difficult. I am reaching out to the collector of Ariyalur, Tamil Nadu. uh, Sir, ma'am, this is regarding a girl, Shobana, who's from a village that is nearby to Ariyalur. Almost, I think she says it's almost 40 to 50 kilometers, and she has to travel. Initially, she did not have a birth certificate. I don't know, her parents did not take it, and even the hospital authorities did not give a birth certificate. And she was without any identity proof of her own. I started tracing out children with this condition all over India when I got to meet her, and then I explained about what is the skin care and the skin management she has to follow to make her life easy and little bearable, and what's the kind of cream she's supposed to use. So now she's changing, she's taking care of her, so she's able to come out of her house. So she went to the collectorate in Ariyalur yesterday while the entire world was celebrating uh, Women's Day and wishing each other happy Women's Day. It is very sad to hear this girl calls me and tells, ma'am, I came here and there is this person who yelled at me for not coming, and what is this, why are you coming, and why did you not take an Aadhaar card 15 years ago, so now you will not get it. Please understand, ichthyosis affected have mobility challenges. Our bones and joints are fused. If not moisturized or lubricated well with the creams, it becomes difficult, the bones become rigid. She used to be standing with the help of a staff or a cane, and she used to take small steps. So, coming all the way 30 to 40 kilometers is impossible for a girl with ichthyosis. People in India do not know about ichthyosis when the medical fraternity isn't aware, so I can understand, common man will not understand. But again, I think there is a person with a very rare condition. Please understand, we already are going through pain. Our bodies overheat and it becomes very painful for us. It gets so much overheated that we feel as if we have a temperature of 105 or 106. Even the internal organs are affected. Everything, we feel hot from every organ inside, and it's very uncomfortable. We feel our heart rate goes 4 times fast, and we feel we will get a heart attack, and we go in for heat exhaustion. At times we swoon, we faint, but again we try to hold on and manage, because there are certain things wherein we have to do. But for that, yes, we need your help. Please be patient with us. When you see someone who is not normal like you all, yes, that means this is an invisible disability. In other countries, it is considered as disability, but here we are not even considered as humans. And here we are still fighting for our right to even live, basic right to live. So, Collector Ma'am, Sir, my earnest request is to issue an Aadhaar card for this girl, Shobana, because that gentleman, Jyotivel, refused, and he said, do not even come back. We can't do it. We can't take your fingerprints. How will you? Yes, ichthyosis, you cannot get biometrics because of our skin. None of us get. You have to make do with the eyes. What if a person has no arms? How will he give his fingerprints? So people should be able, I think there should be an awareness around it. In the offices, people who work, they should be educated. Basic education or knowledge about this is very important. And please do not make us roam around in the hot sun, because you don't know what we go through. That one day of coming out in the heat, we are unwell for 3 to 4 days. And I know what I go through, because I'm the oldest living person in the whole of Asia in this condition. I do understand. My earnest appeal to you is to please help Shobana get her Aadhaar card without any problem and without any age. Thank you.